Today we're going to be showing you how you can clean up your old PCBs. So here we have an old strip board which I made a while ago, and as you can see the flux from the solder has started to corrode its way and affect the copper, so you can see the green parts which have oxidized. And here we have an infrared transmitter from a remote control in which the batteries exploded because they were left in there for a number of years, and you can see the corrosion there is quite bad on the protective coating along the tracks. Here's the rest of the remote control, which has already had a clean, and as you can see it's come up quite well, but it has also lifted off some of the corroded track coating in some areas, but as the tracks are still intact this should also work quite well. So you'll need some acetone, which is generally nail polish remover, and a toothbrush to achieve this. Don't forget to like and subscribe if you enjoy this video, and please do check out the rest of the videos on our channel for more information about the software. So first we're going to be working over the sink, as you don't want to be getting this all over your desk. So we'll just get some nail polish remover in a little cup, and we'll get our toothbrush and our circuit board. So if we just dip that in the acetone and start giving it a scrub, obviously this may take a number of goes to achieve the desired effect, so we'll just whiz through that quite quickly. And there we go. It's a lot better than it was. It's not perfect, but as you can see the board is looking a lot more like the day we made it. So now we'll need to rinse off the acetone, so just using plain water. Now Flux does dissolve in water, but the acetone ensures it shifts easily. So I'll give that a quick scrub just to make sure it's all gone. Now of course our circuit board is soaking wet at this point, so we'll need to put it somewhere to dry afterwards. As you can see that is much better. So if we just flick off the worst of it, and then we'll go and pop it in our airing cupboard, which is the nice warm spot in my house, as you can see by the hazelnuts drying from this autumn. And we'll leave it there for a couple of days to dry out, and once that's done your board should stay nice and clean.